I told you so. I imagine I were to start the video off like that. What's going on, guys? It's Ricky with TechBud Solutions, and markets did end up selling off, but it's not a told you so by any means. It's just, again, kind of going with the flow. There's been a lot of news about these tariffs that are supposed to go into effect tomorrow, and if not on April 2nd. So there's a lot of fear that's being injected into the market. I've closed out my short. Actually, we just wrapped up our live trading session with the LPP team. I go live every morning. If you ever want to tune on in, it's the second link in the description down below. But I don't have an active short anymore on Tesla. So I made 7.2K, almost 7.3K. I left myself with my one lucky share, and that's about it. The only other trade that I have going on right now is SQQQ, which that was a position that I bought into yesterday during overnight hours. I announced it to my LPP team, but I'm staying cash right now. So I've already hit my daily goal, and when it comes down to the way that Tesla's trading, I'm kind of like indifferent about it. It sold off at one point, I think like 7.5%, that Tesla could try to recover like the rest of the market. And that's the thing that I continue to ask myself is, did the market sell off enough today, right? At one point, QQQ was down about 2% when all the selling pressure and all the panic began to sink in. But just like many times, that tends to be an overreaction, and then the markets try to recover. It wouldn't surprise me that if markets do try to recover, by the time that we go into market close, markets begin to sell off and retrace once again. Remember, there's fear, there's concern about what is going on. It's not about predicting the future. It's just about respecting what is to come, right? The US stock market dips days before Trump's new tariffs take effect. For those that do not know, it was announced that Trump was going to implement these 25% tariffs in the auto industry and possibly another set of tariffs on the pharmaceutical industry. So again, I talked about it yesterday during our Sunday stock talk. I'm not too sure if you guys heard that, but it's like Oprah Winfrey right now. You get a tariff, you get a tariff, you get a tariff. The trade war is back, and it seems like this time he really doesn't care how the market reacts, which I kind of like. Let the market sell off, let the market retrace. This is something that we've been waiting for. The markets were way overextended for no good reason. And now finally they can sell off enough that good deals can actually begin to present itself. Embrace it. Remember, the only people that freak out are those that did not prepare. So I'm taking it day by day. I'm not here to overcomplicate my trades, as you guys can see with Tesla, unless it becomes incredibly overbought where I see that it's a really lucrative trade to short. I don't care to short it anymore, right? I made my money. Now it's just kind of consolidating. I think that it could sell off for the remaining few days leading up to the tariff being released, but I'm not certain about it, which is why, again, I'm choosing to reduce and or close my position until direction becomes more clear. If more progress and price action supports the case that there's weakness in the market, there's fear in the market, and we're making lower lows and lower highs, then great. I will open up a short because, the charts are supporting that. But not as of right now, right? The market sold off enough, and this all happened kind of on the overnight hours. Since the market has opened, we've been consolidating a lot. So if you did not have a position that you carried from last week, unless you're really good at trading overbought, overbought, and oversold reversals, then you're probably not up very much. It's kind of just like a horizontal pattern right now, which some people love, other people don't really care for it. Direction is not super clear right now since the market has opened. Don't get me wrong. If you click on the 5-minute time frame, things are still looking bearish. We're trading with lower highs and lower lows. And yes, because of the sentiment and the expectation of what's to come this week, things can definitely get worse before they get better. So please stay light with your position. Do not put yourself in stressful positions that you cannot tolerate, because if you're buying into the dip, expecting the market to recover right now, I think that you're going to be in for a surprise, because a lot more selling pressure can kick in, because again, the entire thing that the market is waiting for is for these tariffs to go into effect, or to see if there's any form of last minute renegotiation that then can cause the markets to recover and go up. So again, right now we're just waiting for them to go into effect. Then after that, we can then decide, what the markets are telling us, right? The thing that I want to show you is similar to last week or 2 weeks ago. Markets sold off, then they began to consolidate when things were not getting worse. I want to see how they play out this time. We've already made new lows. Are we going to find a support and begin to consolidate, or are things going to get worse? More tariffs are going to get announced, more fear being instilled into the market, causing more selling pressure. I'm super excited. It's still in the very early stages. If you want to buy the dip, there's nothing wrong with that as long as you can tolerate the time that it might take for the markets to recover. Do not buy with margin because you do not want to borrow money as markets continue to sell off. It's an incredibly bad mistake to make as a beginner. So very excited to follow up. Just wanted to keep you guys up to date. It is and has been a successful trading day for us, especially, but again, a big part of that is the position that I carried over the weekend, and that was shorting Tesla as it sold off and opened up over 5% in the red. So other than that, markets are trading sideways. If you feel like you're not really seeing much, you're not alone. Markets are consolidating, but again, overall market sentiment is still bearish due to these trade wars. So stay patient, stay calculated. I hope to see you for tomorrow's live trading session, and that's the second link in the description down below. Take care, team.